Magandang hapon po ng Sunday, December 10, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. result ngayong hapon ng Sunday, December 10, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. result ngayong hapon ng December 10, 2023 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for Sunday, December 10, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 257 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 jackpot price estimates is 211 million pesos for December 10, 2023, Sunday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Sunday, December 10, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more lotto result update.